Imagine you are slowing down for a stoplight and your car violently bangs into gear, or it feels like you are being rear-ended by a phantom vehicle because the transmission is catching in the wrong gear at the wrong time. You might even think you have an engine misfire because the car is bucking so badly, but when you plug in your Obd2 scanner, you find code P0769. This code is telling you that shift solenoid D is having an intermittent electrical circuit fault. Modern automatic transmissions are incredible pieces of engineering that use a series of solenoids to manage the movement of fluid between different hydraulic circuits. Their whole job is to maximize your engine's performance at the lowest possible revolutions per minute to save you money at the gas pump. When the solenoid D fails to open or close exactly when the PCM commands it, your internal clutches and bands cannot engage properly. This leads to the transmission slipping, overheating, or even falling into a protective limp mode where you are stuck in only one gear just so you can get home. The absolute first thing you need to do is check for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model. Often, manufacturers discover that a specific software glitch or a known wiring harness flaw is causing these intermittent shift issues, and a simple computer reflash at the dealer can fix it without you ever touching a wrench. If there are no updates, you need to perform a deep visual inspection of the wiring. Look for any spots where the harness is rubbing against sharp metal brackets or where the insulation has been burnt by the exhaust pipe. A bare wire touching the frame for just a fraction of a second is all it takes to trigger this code and send your transmission into a panic. Pull the electrical connectors apart and check for loose pins or moisture intrusion. If you find a connector full of transmission fluid, that means the internal seal of a sensor has failed and it is wicking oil up the wires, which creates a massive mess for the electrical signals. Use your digital multimeter to check the resistance of the solenoid itself. Unless your technical manual says otherwise, you are looking for a solid connection with 0 ohms of resistance. If the solenoid tests bad or is stuck mechanically because of dirty fluid, you are going to need to clean those hydraulic passages or replace the solenoid entirely. It is a detailed job that requires precision, but getting that solenoid D working right again will stop that bucking and banging and give you back that smooth, effortless drive you expect from your vehicle. Don't forget to check the mechanical linkage too, because a binding shifter cable can sometimes mimic a solenoid problem by putting the internal valves in the wrong position.